Welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Monday 20th of February with me, Rich Power Market Analyst at Headset Markets. Let's look at dollar yen, and we're seeing this sort of move back into risk today, which has come with a positive sentiment. We've seen early doors on Monday, and that sort of helped to sort of pull markets, pull traders away from the yen, and that's sort of pulling dollar yen quite mildly higher. About 30 ticks up on the day, nothing too significant, but you've sort of got this longer term chart here over the past few months, really, just to give you a sort of a sign that this is really turning into a range play, isn't it? And holding on to that 1250 support again. 1258 was Friday's low. Again, holding on to that 1250 support. I think this is just turning into just this range, really, isn't it? A range play that needs to sort of be resolved, but I don't think it's necessarily going to be resolved anytime soon. You've got the momentum indicators, which are fairly neutral. Stochastics, RSI, and MACD lines all fairly sort of benign in the moves over the past sort of week or so. Here you can see the hourly chart where you've just picked up, you've started to sort of break that sequence of lower highs, although on a technical basis you'd say 1350, which was a reaction high from Friday. That's the resistance you need to get through to really start to see a positive turnaround, but for now it's sort of consolidating. 114 big figure is that big pivot line that markets would need to get through to really start getting positive again, but for now it's fairly neutral, isn't it? And that sort of momentum indicators sort of just unwinding back towards sort of neutral configuration, really. You could argue there is a near-term pivot around this sort of level, 1320. 1320 could be argued to be a bit of a pivot. So again, that is or has been capping gains in the last sort of few hours, so the fact that that's been happening, not really able to get through 1320, maybe that's something to keep an eye on. But I'm also looking at 1350 as well, so you've got that low in place at 1258, but generally speaking you'd say 12 big figure on that daily chart, sorry, 1250 on that daily chart is the key level to go for. So I would say that if you break below that, if you break below 1250, then you're sort of looking back towards 1160 again. But looking at these hourly momentum indicators, I'm not necessarily suggesting that that's going to be the case. I think it's a little bit more neutral. Yes, you get these little sort of near-term trending moves, but I don't think it's anything really to get too worked up about on the downside yet. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again later. Thank you.